So I've been hearing rumors about affiliate marketing scams, and I'd like to change your perspective on that a little bit. Hi guys, my name is Ivan. I have been doing affiliate and online marketing for the past almost 8 years now, so I've had my fair share of these scam or bad courses as well as some really good ones. And I'd like to share with you a truth or a secret that I uncovered by going through all these courses that, of course, people don't tell you about. And before I tell you what it is, let me see if you can come up with it on your own. So if you're talking to a friend or a potential partner or a doctor, how do you determine if they are indeed a good friend or a good partner? Do you just talk to them and see what they say? Or do you actually wait until a certain situation happens and you look at the actions? It's the latter, right? So are you getting where I'm going? A lot of the times when you guys go through these courses, instead of looking at what the people say and doing what they say, look at what they do. Look at their actions. Take a look at Lopez, for example. Brilliant marketer. How do we know he's brilliant? Because I'm talking about him, because you've heard of him, because you must have seen his ads and you know who he is. Whether the courses and the content he sells is good or bad, that doesn't matter. You know he's good because you've heard of him. And so look at the way he sells, right? You got to look at the big picture and then the smaller one. The big picture is he's got courses that he's selling and he's running marketing campaigns to them. So he's got a sales page, probably a webinar, a landing page, and he runs traffic. He runs paid ads, in this case, YouTube ads to his offer. So if you guys want to make money online, you no longer need to go through any affiliate marketing course. Here's how you do it. You create a product that people want, and then you sell it via paid ads. Ta-da! It's that simple. Then you look at the minute detail. Take a look at his video with the Lambo, right? The most popular video that went viral. Analyze that video. You can see that he's a presentable guy. He dressed well. He's got good hair, good beard, right? He looks presentable. He looks like a good friend. So what's the lesson here is, hey, you got to look good. You got to be presentable. You got to take care of yourself, take care of your appearance. What else does he have there? Well, obviously he's got a Lambo. He's got a big house, right? So credibility, that's social proof. That is so important, guys. You don't need anybody to tell you this to know that, hey, it works. So if you really want to sell something, you show something behind you. You prove that you have it as you are teaching, as you're showing them something. Personally, I'm not the type of guy for that. I don't want to flaunt anything, and especially I will not rent or buy anything just for show. That's just not me. But hey, if you want to sell something, it works. What's another lesson with his campaign is, hey, his video is very personable. He talks to you like he cares. He talks to you like a friend, right? He talks to you one-on-one. So replicate that. So right there and then, guys, without even buying any of his courses, there are 3 lessons that you could draw from this that you could utilize yourself as well. Now, here's another lesson is that there is no shortcut to success. Look at the work that Ty put in to do all that, right? Again, regardless of whether his courses are scams or bad or good, doesn't matter. Look at the work that he put in creating the content, in creating the sales strategy around it, and then running paid ads to it. That takes work. What's the key takeaway here? There is no shortcut to success. You have to put in the work for it. Sure, there might be some sort of short-term fad or some sort of short-term investment opportunity that people might make a course about that could work for a bit. Yes, maybe. But if you want a long-term stable way to make money online with affiliate marketing, there is no shortcut to success. And that's what you see with all these courses, guys. Everybody who sells these courses, they put in the time of effort to do what they do. Now that's Ty. There's many other marketers just like him. Take a look at Vick, Streizheus, who I started with 8 years ago when I first started affiliate marketing. And how do we know he's good? Because I'm talking about him, because I've heard about him. Again, whether good or bad, you know he's good. You know he's a brilliant salesman because he got his point across. He got his point in the minds of people. I'm sure most of you have heard about him too, but that's not where I'm getting at. What I'm trying to say is his ad just popped up in my YouTube ads. He's saying, hey, you guys want to make money online, blah, 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 follow me. So I clicked on his webinar. I wanted to see what he was up to again because I saw him disappear for a few years. And lo and behold, he's created some sort of membership site portal with a bunch of different courses. And if you go through his webinar, basically what he says is, hey guys, come in and sell this big membership site that I had, membership hub. Now you could do that and you could go in and sell his hub, which, you know, you can label as your own and things like that. But the key here is to look at what he does. What is he doing? Well, He's created, first of all, a big membership pub, a big bunch of courses. He's created a webinar, and then he's running paid ads to that webinar. Boom, right? If you guys want to learn how to make money online, there is no better lesson. There's no better teacher than this. Look at what people are doing and emulate that. Replicate that strategy. I gave you like 4 different key takeaways from Ty Lopez's, 3-minute video where he talks about the Lambo in his garage, right? But if you look at all his other videos and you look at the actual course content, look at how he teaches the content. Look at what he does first, what he does second, how he attracts the people. These are the true takeaways. These are the secrets of any affiliate marketing course, whether the course is a scam or not. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to see more content like this, various online marketing tool tutorials, check out my YouTube channel at youtube.com/IvanMana. And I invite you to check out my website at ivanmana.com, where I offer you a free affiliate marketing guide to help you understand what affiliate marketing is and how it works. And with that, I hope this video was helpful. I will see you guys in the next one.